Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I wanted to talk to you about truck insurance and what the average cost of truck insurance is. Now, depending on where you're located, the price is going to vary greatly. So, for instance, Elite Business Insurance, the name of this insurance agency, is established in Florida. The trucking rates in the state of Florida are much more expensive than in the state of Tennessee, for instance. The reason is because there's much more fraudulent activity and much higher susceptibility to insurance claims in the state of Florida than there are in Tennessee. So that's just an example of how the average price of truck insurance can vary. Now, there's many other factors depending on what kind of business that you have. If you're an artisan contractor who's just driving a pickup truck, or if you are a glass company and you have a glass truck with a rack on the side of it, there's going to be specific rates for the artisan contractor. Now, if you have a large truck, if you have a tractor trailer, and you're hauling goods across state lines, if you're hauling goods around the country, or if you're just hauling goods locally, the price is going to vary greatly depending on the size of the vehicle. If you have a smaller gross vehicle weight, the price is going to be cheaper. If you have a larger gross vehicle weight or heavier gross vehicle weight, the price is going to be more expensive. The reason being because, let's just take another example. If you have a pickup truck as opposed to a tractor trailer, if that pickup truck gets into an accident, it's probably not going to do as much damage as a tractor trailer would, because the tractor trailer is much heavier than the pickup truck. So that's going to increase the price if you have a heavier vehicle. Now, depending on the value of your vehicle, if you have an expensive vehicle as opposed to an inexpensive vehicle, the price will be higher to cover that expensive vehicle for actual cash value in the case that you had a complete loss. Depending on what kind of insurance you're looking for, what kind of limits you're looking for, the price, there's no way to give you an average set price. So if you want competitive rates, let Elite Business Insurance handle your insurance needs. We specialize in the trucking industry. We have commercial auto carriers across the United States of America, thousands of carriers in which we could take your information and shop it around through all of our markets. We have direct appointments with carriers. We have brokers who have appointments with carriers. So we take your information, we pump it out through all of our accessible markets that we have, and then we have them fight to get you the best price out there. So we offer you the best coverages for the best price. Now, when you're covering the vehicle, depending on what limits you're looking for, they could start as low as $10,000 per occurrence and go all the way up to $1 million per occurrence. The more insurance you have, the higher the price. Less insurance you have, the lower the price. The more vehicles you have, if you have multi-vehicles on your policy, if you have more than one, more than two, if you have more than 8, you're going to get a multi-vehicle discount. If you have CDLs, Class A CDLs, your drivers all have good driving records with Class A CDLs. That's going to be a much better, more competitive price than drivers who just have regular licenses and violations and accidents on their driving records. So there's many different variations that could occur, which would cause the price to increase and decrease. So you need an agency such as Elite Business Insurance, an independent insurance agency who has access to many markets. If you call a captive agency, they just have one market. You get one price, one market. Through our agency, we only deal with AM Best A-rated insurance carriers. So you know you are going to be placed with the strongest financially rated insurance carriers out there. So we cover you for all the angles, depending on what kind of business you have. If you're a trucking company, you need to cover your truck for $1 million combined single limit. You're crossing state lines, so you're going to need specific insurance filings. If you have cargo that you're hauling across state lines, you're going to need cargo coverage. If you're a tow truck, you're going to need on-hook towing or cargo coverage, depending on what kind of truck you have. If you're a refrigerated goods carrier, you're going to need reefer coverage in case your refrigerated trailer breaks down and all the goods inside of it go bad. If you need general liability insurance, we could offer you that. If you need workers' comp insurance, we could offer you that as well. Any line of insurance you need, we could handle, we could write, and we could always make sure that we're providing you the best coverage for the absolute best price. So give us a chance. We also offer 24/7 customer service. We believe customer service is our number one priority in this agency. We believe that if you do good for the customers, they will do good for you in return. We like the referrals, we like the business, and we like to always make our customers happy and satisfied in every single way regarding insurance. We will fight to get you the best price. If you ever need anything from us, if you need to submit a claim, if you ever have any questions, you want to raise coverages, lower coverages, you want to add vehicles, subtract vehicles, We give you as many options as you would like. We also explain it to you in an email, a thorough understanding of what your policy is covering you for. We give you a personalized video. We can even meet in person if that's what you want to do. So give us a call, give us a chance. We will not let you down. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.